This method always works. If it's not working for you, then you're just doing it incorrectly. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the number one method that helps you manifest anything you want. And you might have probably guessed it, it is robotic affirming. But robotic affirming in a way where you actually change your state. Most people do the robotic affirming method incorrectly, where they repeat the affirmations non-stop, but somewhere internally their state has not shifted yet. They still feel anxious, they're still doubting the process, they're still waiting for a physical proof or a physical change or an outcome to come. It is a lot more outcome focused and result focused rather than changing the state internally, where they've already calmed their nervous system, relaxed it, and have normalized having the desire in their life. That's the reason why I keep stressing that no matter what your specific desire is, it is okay to affirm about it, but at the same time you need to support that with self-concept affirmations, because you have to reprogram your mind every single day. Your identity shifts when you repeatedly assume that your self-concept has also shifted, when you repeatedly assume that you have evolved as a person, you have evolved to your higher state, you're basically becoming a vibrational match to your dream life. It is only then that you'll see that your affirmations start work. When you specifically focus on one desire, repeat it so many number of times, and keep looking for result, keep desperately searching why it hasn't come yet, feeling anxious one day, then feeling stuck or frustrated the other day, and then again going back into this like a loop, of course it's not going to work, because most likely your internal state still feels dysregulated. It doesn't feel like it's a vibrational match to your desire. For me personally, when I repeat an affirmation 50 times or 100 times, I just know for a fact that I change my state internally. When I repeat an affirmation, like everything always works out in my favor. Maybe the first 2 times I repeat it, I don't believe it. I still feel it's silly. I might even think that my circumstances are not changing. Why am I even affirming everything works out in my favor? But after I repeat it 10 times or 20 times or 30 times, I automatically feel calm. I automatically feel relaxed. Obviously something good is coming from this, and my state immediately changes. I go back to feeling calm, I go back to feeling relaxed, I go back to embodying the state of me who has normalized feeling good all the time, because everything good happens to her. Like, she doesn't have to worry about anything else. That is why affirmations are so powerful. Your words are literally like a magical wand. You can literally change your state within minutes. Every single time you repeat something that's related to your self-concept or that's related to your desire, you are actualizing it in your reality. Whether it's with an idea you get, whether it's with a thought that you get, you will sense that shift. You basically brought it into existence because you actually shifted your state and believed that you're capable of aligning with it or capable of matching with it. And that is why I want you to continue affirming for all the desires you have. Maybe you have a specific outcome, a specific desire you're looking for, maybe something related to your dream job, maybe something related to your relationship, or something related to even money for that matter. It can be any desire, any wish you have, but with that I want you to back it with self-concept affirmations. And self-concept affirmations can be anything that allows your mind to believe that your state has shifted, that you're now identifying yourself with this new identity who's already an embodied version of the dream state, who already has her dream life. So an affirmation that I personally love is, I am rich and successful in every area of my life. So even if I see one single area not doing that well, or even if there's something that's bothering me at the moment, when I repeat the affirmation, I'm rich and successful in every area, I automatically stop worrying about it. That particular problem or that particular concern or worry in that area does not hold any weightage in my mind, because I'm repeating non-stop that things always work out for me. I'm rich and successful in every area. So how can one single problem be on my mind continuously, and how can I continuously worry about it when I'm affirming that things are always good for me? That's exactly what you need to do. And that is why I tell people that even if you've gotten your desires, even if your wish has been fulfilled, even if you've changed your state internally, you're feeling calm, you're feeling relaxed, it doesn't matter. You can still repeat self-concept affirmations, because at the end of the day, it's not really a loss if you're repeating self-concept affirmations. Yes, you can always embody the state, you can always visualize, you can always think that it's already shifted and you don't have to repeat anymore, but it's almost like a habit that you need to form and develop and repeat on a daily basis. Just like how you formed healthy habits when you were a child. As soon as you woke up, you would brush your teeth, you would take a shower, you would get ready before going to your school. Even now, for that matter, being an adult, you're still brushing your teeth, you're still taking a shower, because that is a healthy habit. That is what you need to do. Hygiene is very, very important. And if you are someone who loves fitness, who loves working out, then heading to the gym and finishing it first thing in the morning is a habit. It's a habit that you cannot stop and you cannot escape from, because that is the identity you choose to be. You want to be fit, you want to be healthy, so you will hit the gym. That's just something that you have normalized in your life, and it's a habit that you cannot get rid of. Affirming should be the same thing. You're doing this for your mental hygiene. So every single day, even if you believe things have changed, even if things have fallen into place, even when things have gotten better, you still have to affirm. You have to repeat self-concept affirmations every day, because that should be the healthy habit that you're forming. Mental hygiene is equally important to physical hygiene. Just like how you're taking care of your looks, you're taking care of your overall cleanliness, you're taking care of your hygiene, you have to take care of your mental hygiene too. It is very important to have a strict mental diet and use affirmations that always help you. Stop feeding any energy to negative thoughts. Stop feeding any energy to any kind of insecurities or self-doubts that you may have. It is very normal for us as human beings to be imperfect, to have insecurities, to have flaws. We're all meant to have that, and that's totally fine. But instead of wasting all your energy complaining about it, dreading about it, feeling bad about it, assume that that is what makes you unique. Assume that that is what makes you different from others. Assume that the reason why you have that particular insecurity is because people don't see the beauty of it, but it's actually very beautiful. Tell a new story to your brain, and your brain will start believing you. Trust me on that. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope this was helpful. I hope you continue your self-concept affirmations. Make this a habit, make this a routine, and if you want to actually make it a habit, grab my Just Affirm Bestie ebook. It's gonna help you out so much. You can also get the self-concept switch, which actually comes with my ebook and my affirmation tapes. So make sure to check it out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.